Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-Pack Screen Protector plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome back to the Metaverse update. Today we're diving into a fascinating story about Mark Zuckerberg's vision for the future of his company, Meta. You might have seen Mark Zuckerberg talking about the Metaverse and AI glasses in recent news. But what's really going on behind the scenes? Well, it turns out that Meta's ad business is still driving the company's growth, 16% year-over-year revenue growth to be exact. That's right, folks, advertising is still the bread and butter of this tech giant. Now, let's take a closer look at Reality Labs, Meta's ambitious VR division. It's reportedly losing $2.96 billion a quarter, with operating losses of $4.2 billion since 2020. And it's not just the financials that are concerning. The division hasn't seen much momentum in its social VR platform, Horizon Worlds. But what's interesting is that Meta's AI-powered ad tools are seeing significant growth. In fact, the company's CEO said on the earnings call that AI has already made us better at targeting and finding the audiences that will be interested in businesses' products. That's a pretty big statement, especially when you consider that Meta's ad business is still largely unchanged from its early days. Meanwhile, Zuckerberg's vision for the future of Meta, one where users are interacting with AI-powered glasses and immersive virtual worlds, seems to be stuck in the pipe dream phase. The company has sold just over 2 million units of its smart glasses partnership with Ray-Ban, hardly a common sight on everyday people's faces. So what does this mean for investors? Well, they're not losing sleep over Zuckerberg's grand metaverse plans just yet. Instead, they're focusing on the one thing that matters: ad revenue. And Meta is delivering. In fact, the company's projected capital expenditures have risen to as much as $72 billion for 2025, largely to fund AI infrastructure. It's a classic case of, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Meta's business model may be old, but it's still generating billions of dollars in revenue each year. And until Zuckerberg can come up with a more compelling alternative, one that doesn't rely on the same ad-driven growth engine that has driven the company for years, investors are likely to stick with what they know. That's all for today's update from the Metaverse Update channel. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next video.